Hey everyone, it's truly fantastic to be here with all of you tonight. We all stand at the crossroads of opportunity, facing moments that demand a leap of faith, a bold decision, or simply stepping outside our comfort zones. In these moments, a familiar sensation often arises: fear. That tightening in your chest, the voice of doubt, the urge to retreat to safety. Fear in that moment feels immense, overwhelming, and potentially endless. But tonight, I want to offer a profound truth that puts fear into its proper perspective. Fear is temporary. Regret is forever. Think about it. That intense feeling of fear, whether it's before a big presentation, asking for a raise, starting a new venture, or having a difficult conversation. It's a surge of adrenaline, a mental alarm. It peaks, it might linger, but eventually it subsides. The moment passes, the action is taken or not taken, and the immediate, acute sensation of fear dissipates. It is, by its very nature, temporary. Courage doesn't mean you don't get afraid. Courage means you don't let fear stop you. You feel the fear and do it anyway. Regret, however, is a different beast. Regret is the quiet, persistent ache of what could have been. It's the gnawing thought of the opportunity missed, the words left unsaid, the dream left unpursued. It's the realization that doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will, because fear led to inaction. Regret doesn't fade with the moment, it settles in, a permanent resident in the landscape of your memories. It's the heavy weight of knowing you didn't try, that you didn't live the life you've imagined, because fear held you captive. Everything you've ever wanted is on the other side of fear. That means the fulfillment, the growth, the joy, the impact, they are all waiting for you to simply step through that temporary discomfort. Don't fear failure, fear being in the same place next year. The pain of a stumble is a fleeting lesson. The pain of stagnation is a lifelong burden. So, how do we choose temporary fear over eternal regret? By letting your faith be bigger than your fear. By remembering that your purpose is greater than your fear. By recognizing that you are the artist of your own life and only you can paint your masterpiece. Take that first imperfect step. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Embrace the discomfort of the moment, knowing it's a small price to pay for a life free of the crushing weight of what if. Choose action, choose courage, choose a future where your memories are filled with daring attempts, not lingering regrets.